Hey, all, this is a really simple automation that you can make for Monday.com using Make.com to send a welcome email to a customer. So, what we have here is a company. We might just call this the Acme Tool Co. And we've got an email in there of a contact there at that Acme Tool Company. And what we'll do is we're going to trigger a welcome email by clicking this button here. So, how this is built, we have the ability to watch the actions of or the column for a field that has changed. Next, we are going to watch for the type of label or field that was changed. We're going to get a record. And if the email exists, we're going to send an email, which is going to be triggered through make.com. So if we run this trigger action here, send welcome email, it's going to go 1, 2, 3. And then if we go and check the Gmail account that this was sent to for the customer, we should see that that welcome email is right in here. So, and you can see that there's some fun fonts that were thrown in there by default. So, if it's worth changing the fonts for your organization, go for it. But that's essentially how easy it can be to trigger a nice branded email by using a couple different tools inside of Make.com and Monday. Hi, this is a demonstration of how to use Make.com and Monday to create some dynamic task templates. So what I have here is a board of task templates. So here, Project Gemini is one group of tasks, or this Project Secret Sauce could be another group of tasks. And then here we have a project board and our accounts board. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the project type that this client has purchased or is going to be starting. And we're going to go over into the Make automation to watch this run when we do that. So I'm going to trigger that action of start project. And then here we're going to watch it go through the automation. So it's done a couple things. It's actually accessing Google Drive as well, creating some items, and then going to create our subtasks of the 1, 2, 3 for that project. So here we can see the project that was created, Project Gemini 3, and the task, and then also the project folder for where that task exists. And then inside that folder, we can see that there's this mutual success plan for this client that was automatically created for them as a template. And this was also shared with the client, access to this specific folder, not the parent folder. So any of the corresponding assets to the project that get added could, in theory, be added to that automatically through some automations or just manually. So really, really efficient way to use Make for kicking off those client projects. So a little bit of how this was built, essentially coming here and get the item, and there are some different items that can be mapped throughout here. We won't get too deep into that right now, but there's multiple different ways of getting all of this to connect. So if you have any questions, definitely reach out to your contact at Make.